Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see how we can create a sales campaign inside the Snapchat ads platform. So once we are in the account, we can start creating a new campaign. And this time it is going to be on sales. So we can build a manual campaign. And here we can start giving the name for the campaign first. Then you can give a start date as well if you want to give a future date and start building out the campaign. Okay, so this is going to be okay. Now you can see this is going to be sales, and that is why it's saying that create a pixel to drive and track conversion. So conversion tracking setup needs to be done prior, then a sales campaign actually works properly. So we can create the pixel here. Then we can choose the goal, performance goal. This is going to be, so we're looking for sales. So we can say website conversions. For now, let's say we are looking at landing page views, which means website traffic. And we can choose the bidding to be automated bidding. Then you can give the budget for the campaign here and give the rest of the details. Like location targeting has been set here. Demographics targeting also, which you can give. Audience targeting, you can select over here like we saw earlier as well. So this way we are choosing our audiences, and then device level targeting, which you can give out. Once we provide all this information, then we are moving to the next level, which is the ad set level. Ads level specifically, where we're going to create the sales ad. Let's say it's a image ad. So we can upload the image. Once you upload the image, then we can provide the background music as well for it. Let's say we are looking at this. So like this, you can add the music, the background music for the ad creative, and provide the rest of the details. Headline. You can give the website URL right here for which you want the web view. And you can give the call to action as view only because that is what we want here. You can switch off message design. These are all the details you can see. This is how the ad will get created. So now this is the ad which we have created, which is a sales campaign ideally, and then you can publish. The only thing which is left here is to set up the conversion pixel. Okay, so which you can do as well. And then if you want, you can change the bidding strategy to maximize conversions, which we can do as well. Okay, so that we can use the campaign for tracking sales. So this is our sales campaign, guys, which we have created now on the Snapchat ads platform. I hope this makes sense. You understand the full process now. Thank you guys for listening to this, and I will see you in the next week.